Hello everyone. In this lecture of the Essential Calculus Problem series, we will solve this problem. Integral of sin³ x cosine x dx. When the integrand contains a function multiplied by the derivative of that function, we can use substitution. Here we have a function sin³ x and derivative of sin x is cosine x multiplied by dx. So we will use the substitution method to solve this problem, and we will say that sin x is equal to u to solve the problem. Let's say this problem was the integral of sin³ x times cosine x dx. If we say sin x equals to u, then derivative of both sides is cosine x times dx will be equal to du. Here we will say u for the sine x, and du will be the cosine x dx. Then the integral becomes the integral of u³ times du. When we integrate it, we will add 1 to the exponent. The exponent becomes u to the power of 3 plus 1, and the exponent becomes 4, and we divide by the exponent again, and this will be equal to 1 over 4 times u to the power of 4. Since u is sine x, the integral becomes 1 over 4 times sine to the power of 4x. And since the integral is an indefinite integral, we add a constant c here. In the next example, we will solve this one. The integral of sine to the power of 5x cosine x dx. See you in the next video.